Yeah, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Glotera Extra. So today I want to be showing us how to do, I want to show us how to use the maxing tool. So if you're watching for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So let's go ahead with the maxing tool. First of all, I'm going to be using I'll be using any shape of my choice, and so maybe I'll choose a circle shape, and then I'll increase it. All right, then I want something like a curve at the edges, this edge and this edge. So I'll go to the maxing tool. Where's the maxing tool? This is the maxing tool. So now watch what is going to happen here. Once I enable this stuff, this down part is going to wipe out. When I switch it off, it's going to be normal. So I'm switching it on because I want to use the maxing tool. Then if you want a curve, you see this edge here, this edge, these are where you should be adjusting. You should be adjusting this edge. Once, if you want to recover the below the circle, you have to take this inside. You see it's recovering, but now I don't want it, so I'm going to remove it. You see the changes. Then for this side, I'll have to take this back. So I don't know why that touch is disturbing. You see it's already creating something nice. You can make this a half moon, or you bring it out back if you don't like the way it is. Let's try to create something like, okay, you see what's going on. Okay, you see I've created something. Now this is looking like a leaf. It's looking like a leaf. So when you are creating, or you know what you want, so you just go ahead and create what you want. I will take this back. Then since this one belongs to this side, this one belongs to here, seats belongs to this side, so I'll just be taking it back. Alright, let me or increase it like this again. It's not looking that nice, so edit it. Okay, alright, so you see this one is okay. We can work with this one. So you have to copy it, rotate it upward, then this should be like this. No, okay, yeah, because this is facing up, so this one should face up like this. Then you copy again, copy another one which is making it 2. Then you can change the color of this. Let's say red or yellow. Yellow is better. This color is better. This color is better. Then you pin them so it will move. Then go back to this one and change the color to maybe blue. It all depends on you. It depends on what color you want, but for the purpose of this video, let me just go ahead with mine. So now I'll rotate this, then take this to the back. You take it to the back. You see I've created something like this. Then this one too, you take it to the back. It's going inside too much. I'm supposed to pin this one. You see, that's why these layers are very important for you, so that you'll be pinning them, they won't be moving. Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. So now you have known how to mask. You can then use the masking effect anytime you want to. Then you can put any details you want. You can create any mask. It must not be this my particular shape you want to create, but anything you want to create, just use your masking tool and create them. So having watched this video to the end and you learned something from it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not done that, and also give this video a like. Press the like button to activate the like, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you so much. Make sure you know that, and make sure you believe that. See you next time. Bye.